Okay, we're trying to figure out if RT is even. Well, that's R times T. If you do an odd times an odd, that's always going to give you an odd. And if you do an odd times an even, odd times even, that's always even. And if you do an even times even, it's always even. I got tired of writing odd and even. Okay, so R plus T is odd is your first clue. So the way you can get an odd number, if you add an odd plus an even, that will always give you odd, and that's what clue 1 says. So, and it's the only way you can do that, because an even plus an even is an even, and an odd plus an odd is an even. All right, so odd plus even is odd. Odd plus even is odd. That means I have an odd and an even, and if I multiply an odd and an even together, it's even. So I can answer the question. Clue 1 works. Clue 2. Okay, how do you get R to the T is odd? Well, the only way you can do that, if you take an odd and you raise it to an even, it gives you an odd. It's like 5. Is that right? Yeah, 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25. Yeah. Odd raised to even is always odd. And the other way you can get it is odd raised to odd gives me an odd. Well, that's not going to work, because if I take an odd times an even, let me use the same notation. If I take an odd times even, gives me even. That's what we have right here. If I take an odd times odd, that gives me odd. So I've got 2 different things here, okay? So I can't tell. Sometimes it's even, sometimes it's odd. So that doesn't work. So only clue 1 works. A.